Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, encapsulation in Python programming language. The encapsulation is one of the part of object-oriented programming language. The encapsulation will plays the key role in object-oriented programming. What encapsulation will do? The majorly it will hide the parts of the data. Who is the accessing the data? From the layer which we are going to be given the parts of the data, and how the person who is able to accessing the data from the functions and methods by calling, and who is the accessible and who is not accessible, and who we are going to giving in a permissions to the user. That all will tell the encapsulation. You have to understand this video session by recapping twice and thrice. You will have a good ideology. It is explained with the real-time concept of examples. Watch it. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about encapsulation. It's an OOPS concept in Python. Encapsulation using this concept to hiding and restricting access to methods who are accessing from outside. And this is the prevents data from direct modification, which is called for encapsulation. We are restricting the persons who are accessing, like objects which are accessing this particular methods and all. We need to restrict them, like private them and hide the data. That is the security facilities are available in OOPS concept. We will see how that encapsulation will use here. Once we can declare as an underscore, one underscore and the name of the variable, or two underscores with the name of the variable. In this encapsulation manner, it is treated as a private object or private variable. All right. Now see a simple example. We can see that, like a class I am declaring as a lappy. It's in a laptop. I can say that. Class keyword lappy and close it. Now, what is the functions? I have a definition of the function underscore init initiating that self function. It is a self dot message, that is a private object. I'm taking here max price equal to 35,000 in for assume. And one more function method I'm creating here. It is in a sell price. Sell price is in a method. I can say that print of selling price of the lappy. Selling price of lappy. I'm going to print over here. And now we will see here the print of the text keyword. It will print. It's in a formatted string, assume it. Dot format of the string. What I can say that self dot underscore max price. What I have. All right. And now here the definition of a function set max price is one more method I am declaring here. Self set max price is self comma and price of unit I am forwarding over here, and self dot max price that equal to what is the price I am going to set as a private object. All right. Now we will see here, as till now you know that about how to write. These are the lines, and see, this is the two underscores I have taken. It is in a private object. All right. Now see, instantiation of a class that equal to C. It's in a C equal to lappy. I am instantiating here, and C dot sell. Is it possible to see what it's going to be print over there? It's not 25,000 successfully. It is writing. This is the ceiling price we have mentioned over here as an static data with the private variable. All right, now we will see here what is going on. Now if I want to change the price, what I want to change the price? Change the price of 25,000. Now see here, c dot underscore underscore max, like c dot underscore underscore max price that equal to 25,000 instead of 30,000 I'm meeting, and c dot self. See, in my case, earlier stage we have changed the object to attaching something to the particular object value. Here, if I am trying to changing max price of a food like 30,000, now see here I am executing. Even see what is the price it's printing? 25,000 only. Have you observed the variable? What I am sending the object variable data, it's not going to be modifying and correcting. The standardization of the variable value is fixing. The private object, there is a method we have written for set price, where we have to write this method to set the price only. Now we will see one more time. I am calling at pricing set pricing by the way how we have implemented set max price. The method here I am forwarding at 30,000 rupees. This is the way we have to write a method like a cell. Yes, now see, now this is the proper way we are giving in a provision proper way to change the price using this method set price and self. Here the price I am forwarding as a parameter, and it's receiving the price and appending to this and the mapping to the max price, and the max price is going to be printing using the cell, and the max price is coming here and it's coming to print on self is object, and we are calling the function here that method self function, and it's reading here and it's returning this 30,000 value. Now see, this is the how about the encapsulation, what we are calling in the OOPS concept and OOPS concept of the programming language, hiding the information and securing the code and restricting the access from the other objects and other people, as well as in proper way only it can be possible to do and proper manner and activities of the functionality of the program. That what we can call it as encapsulation. One more time you can recap this session, you will have a good idea.
I hope it will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, if any required regarding this tutorial, watch the below description where my contact details are available. Thank you.